Next, we're going to talk about column sorting, column filters, and custom filters. So once you have your data here, either in the niche analyzer or the niche generator, doesn't matter what grid you're in, you're going to see these little magnifying glasses on the top row. Those represent the column filters. And to sort a column, all you have to do is just click the top, anywhere in the top cell over here to the left-hand side of the image, and you'll see a little column sorting indicator showing which way it's ascending or descending. So that's descending and ascending. So you can sort any column you'd like. Now you do have the ability to do a multi-sort. So what that does, let's say we want to sort, I want to know all of the, so in basket had 0, but I want to know the total reviews for only the zeros. I want to sort this column against the 0. So what you want to do is you hold down the shift key on your keyboard and you left click the first column that you want to sort. Keep the shift key held down and go to the next one and click this one. And now we can see that within the zeros, this column is sorted. So if we come down, you'll see as soon as it gets to number 2, it sorts the number 2s and it sorts the number 3s. So it just gives you basically another dimension to sorting. You can actually sort unlimited columns, but it doesn't quite make sense in this particular software. Usually only 2 at a time makes sense. So that's pretty cool. And let's look at the column filters. To the column filters, there's 2 types. There's a text column filter and a numbers column filter. So the column will automatically know. So if you click this one here, it will be a text filter. So all you have to do to filter out this particular column is just start typing what you'd like to filter. So I only want to see columns that contain the word gift. As you type, it automatically filters it for you, and you'll see the green color show up here. So you know that that column is being filtered right now. To remove filters, you can simply just click here and just click the X to remove it. Another way to remove filters is down here to the bottom right, you'll see this button, Clear Filters. You hit that and it'll clear it out for you. Now for the columns that have numbers, you can just click on it and there'll be a bunch of preset values here. So I want to get all of the results that are more than 1,000. So you can do that. Or I want all the results less than 10,000. And you can clear the column filters like this. But say there's something here that you don't like, or that's not here that you want to see. I want to see, okay, something greater than 322. So all you have to do is just do the greater sign and then type 322 and click apply, and boom, you'll have your custom filter there. And you can remove that if you like. You can have multiple filters at the same time. So I want this one greater than 1,000, this one greater than 2,000, bestsellers greater than 5, and you can see it does it all for you. So that's the column filters sorting, as well as the multi-column sorting. Now, another thing you can do are custom filters. So if you click this filters button, you'll bring up the custom filters window here. So we can already see our filters we stuck in there by doing the quick filters on the columns. But one thing you can do is you can put manual filters in here as well. So say I want to do total stores of, I don't know, greater or less than, say, 30 or something like that. So let's go add, and in here we double click to bring up the columns, and I want to look at the total best sellers, and I want to say less than 30. Then we click apply. Not sure why I said bestsellers, but anyhow, bestsellers is way right here. Whoops. I meant to say total stores, not total bestsellers. Anyhow, let's do total stores too. Sorry about that. Total stores less than 30. Apply. But I want this greater than, say, 20. It brings me 1 for all those. But one thing you can do as well is to say you have your set filters that you love to use all the time. What you can do is you can save this filter file to the computer, like so. Now let's go ahead and remove all the filters. There's a couple ways you can do it. Clear filters down here, or you can actually go remove. and you can select remove all filters. Click yes, and we're good. So let's say we open up the software and we're doing our analysis and like, oh, I want to apply my filter really quick. All you need to do now is right click, filters, load filter file. Click the filter file and boom, it'll automatically just apply the filters, and you can see them here when you click them, just like that. Of course, you can open up the filter file here and load it. So if you go clear, we can open up the filter file here. And then we can apply it. That's another way to do it. And that's basically how to use the column filters, as well as the multi-sorting and the custom filters.